everybody, it's Tornado Tammy back again with another science project you can do at home with the things you've probably already got in your kitchen. So what I've got here is everything you're going to need. I've got a pie plate. If you don't have a pie plate, you could use a regular plate that's got a little bit of an edge on it. I've got some food colouring. I've got a glass of water. We're going to use the glass and the water, okay? We're going to pour the water in there and we're going to light the candle, and then we're going to put the glass over the top. We're going to see what it does to the water, okay? We're ready? So I'm going to pour the glass of water into my dish here with my candle. Don't forget that the lighter is not a toy, okay? Get a grown-up to help you with this part. Make sure that everybody is safe with the fire, okay? We're going to light our candle. There we go. Now I'm going to put a little bit of food colouring in the water so it's easier to see. Be careful when you're opening it because I always get food colouring all over my fingers, but I'm going to put a little drop just in there in the water. I'm going to swirl it around a little bit. Okay. I'm going to put the glass over the top of the candle, right? Like this. And if you can see, the fire in the candle is burning up and it sucked the water up. Look at that. Look how much water ended up in the glass. How clever is that? Now that's a little bit of a fire demo where the fire is eating the oxygen inside the glass, and that's creating some suction so that the water is being pulled up to take the place of the oxygen that's being burned up. So we ended up sucking in this much water. So have fun with that at home. See how high you can get the water. How much water can you get sucked into your glass. I'll see you tomorrow.